Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. And if you are new here, hello, hey you. I am super excited to have you join us today. If you follow me, you will know that I'm in love with cloves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make clove butter and how I use it to grow my hair. So if you want to know all the tea to the tea, all the tips and the tricks I use, make sure you are watching to the end. Let's start this. Okay, so the first ingredient I will need is my cloves. Cloves are very inexpensive and you can find them at your local grocery stores. If you do not know how they look like, this is how they look like. Just give the video a pause and take a screenshot and you can take it to your grocery store and find these gems. I'm going to begin by crushing my cloves. You can use any means that you have to crush your cloves. You can use your blender or anything that you have. But this is what I'm using today. I'm going the African way. You know what I mean? And you don't need it to be very smooth. It just has to be broken down into little pieces like so. And you do not need any kind of measurement. Depending on the quantity that you're making, you can just gauge it and use as much as you need. After putting everything into the container, I'm going to add some olive oil. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory properties that help fight dandruff and also dry and itchy scalp, leaving your scalp healthy. It also makes your hair more shinier, smoother, and healthier. So if you're not using olive oil, girl, you are missing out. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything together. And guys, if you're still watching to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by smashing the like button. And if you are new here, please do me a favor by subscribing and click on the bell so each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is really great for our natural hair due to its nutrients. It can help repair damaged hair. It can also help with dry scalp as well as dandruff, adding some shine to your hair. It helps to grow healthier, thicker, and longer hair. So if you're really serious about growing your hair, you shouldn't take coconut oil out of your hair routine. This is how it's looking after adding the coconut oil. I already have water on the stove which is already boiling. So what I'm going to do now is to put this whole mixture in the water with a jar. That's what I meant. So you're going to put the whole bottle in the water, cover it and leave it for about 15 minutes until you see everything is melted together. Okay, so at this point, everything is all melted together. I set it down for some time to cool down and it's now time to drain it. I'm going to separate the oil from the cloves. At this point, the cloves has been infused into the oil, so we have our clove oil. We're going to move on to the next step. Make sure you're watching this video to the end because I have a whole lot of tips and tricks that I'm going to show you to help you grow your healthy hair. The next ingredient I'm going to use is the African shea butter. This shea butter is the organic one straight from Africa. Where are all my Nigerians, my Ghanaians, and all my African people? This is straight from home. Shea butter's anti-inflammatory properties helps with scalp irritation by providing healing effects without clogging your pores. And the good thing about shea butter, because it is natural, it is safe to use on all types of hair. So regardless of your hair type, you can still use shea butter. And it's really good for damaged hair. It provides some shine to your hair and it can also prevent dryness and breakages. So make sure you are adding shea butter to your hair routine. So I did pretty much the same thing, put the shea butter in the glass jar, left it in the boiling water for about 15 minutes or till it's melted like so before taking it out, and make sure it cools down. You may wonder why I didn't add the shea butter to the first oil that I put in the water, because shea butter would take a little more time to melt and the coconut oil doesn't take that much time to melt. So I didn't want the coconut oil and the cloves sitting in the hot water for so long. So I decided to do that separately, then do the shea butter separately. And after that, I'm going to put the two oils together and give it a good stir. And guess what I'm going to add to this batter? Make sure you are watching to the end because I'm going to add some good ingredients to it to even make it work much more better for you to grow healthy hair. The first ingredient I'm going to add is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for our natural hair. It helps promote hair growth. It also helps with dryness and prevent hair loss. And the good thing is it will increase the lifespan of this batter. So make sure you add some vitamin E oil to it. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the tea tree oil. Looking at the bottle, it tells you a whole lot of benefits of the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can help promote hair growth. It can help prevent hair loss or hair breakages. It can also help with dry scalp, itchy scalp, or dandruffs. Adding tea tree oil to your hair will help moisturize your hair. And you do not need much, just a few drops will do the trick. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the lavender oil. The calming effect and divine fragrance of lavender oil is out of this world. Aside that, it helps promote hair growth and it can also help with skin inflammation. Just a little drop will do the trick. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the Jamaican black castor oil. The good thing about Jamaican black castor oil is it's good for all hair types. It will moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase your hair growth. So if you're not adding Jamaican castor oil to your hair regimen, girl, you are missing out. So after putting all these oils together, I'm going to give it a stir, a good stir. And guess what I'm going to do next? I'm going to put the whole mixture in a refrigerator till it solidifies. Alrighty, so this is it after I took it out from the refrigerator, and you can see it is all solid now. And it's now time to mix it again because we want that creamy batter. You know what I mean? So I'm going to break it into little pieces and I'm going to use my manual mixer to mix it together. But feel free to use your electric mixer if you do have one. Look at that batter. This batter is so yummy. It looks like ice cream. I can't even eat it. But no, do not eat this. It looks so yummy for the hair. This batter will help you grow your hair really fast. So give it a try. And I want to hear from you in the comment section. Have you ever used any kind of cloves, water or cloves, oil or clove batter, clove leave-in conditioner, anything about cloves in your hair? I want to hear from you. If you haven't, I have a link to all the videos about cloves in the description box. I have a video to clove oil and also a clove spray. So if you do not know how to make any of these, make sure to check in the description box and watch those videos. So as you can see, my hair is all washed and I'm going to show you how I use my clove batter. After washing my hair like so, I go in with my leave-in condition. Then I go in with my clove oil. I'm going to leave the link to this oil in the description box, so make sure to check it out because all these oils will help you grow your hair really fast. As I put in my clove oil, the next thing I'm going to put in is my clove batter. So I kind of use it as the LOC method, my leave-in, my oil, and my cream. And the smell, guys, it is out of this world. You guys should give this a try and thank me later. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you're going to give this a try. So I'm going to put it all over my hair. And the most important thing is, since this will help you grow healthy hair, if you have any problems in your hair, like you have some bald spot, if you are losing your edges, concentrate more on those places. If it's your edges, make sure you are rubbing it in. If you have some bald spot, make sure you are rubbing it in. Make sure you are massaging it in the hair. The fragrance alone is out of this world. Give it a try, guys. I really want you to try this and give me your feedback. This is the best batter you can ever find for natural hair. So after moisturizing my hair and sealing in the moisture, then I'm going to put my hair in a protective hairstyle. Guys, do not forget to put your hair in protective hairstyle to seal in the moisture. That is the only way you can prevent your hair from drying. I get a lot of questions about how to get moisturized hair. How can I stop my hair from drying? The secret is to always put your hair in a protective hairstyle. It can be anything. I'm just doing any simple protective hairstyle just to lock in the moisture. Hello guys, hello people. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, but if you haven't, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and also share the love. Sharing is caring. Make sure you share this video so others can also learn how to make this yummy butter for their hair. And if you are new here, I would love for you to join us on this channel. I do hairstyle tutorials, I do DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster, and I also do kids hairstyle tutorial. So if you enjoy content like these, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload videos like these, you'll be one of the people to be notified. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you at my next video. But hey, before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Look at how my hair is all moisturized and looking yummy. Guys, you should give this butter a try. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.